this video we are looking at COUNTIF and SUMIF. So say for example I want to know the number of learners from college high, then I would use COUNTIF for that. So let's go insert the function COUNTIF. I've already got it here because I used it recently, but you can go and search for it there. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is find the range that you want to evaluate so that it can meet a certain criteria in order for it to be counted. So in this case we are looking for all the instances of college high, which is in the schools column over here. So that's the range I'm choosing. The criteria it must meet is college high. Right. There we go. Apparently there are 10 learners from college high. Notice that Excel puts in these quotation marks around college high, around the criteria. So if you're typing it in a formula bar, put those quotation marks, because if you're not using the insert function dialog box, you'll have to put those quotation marks. If you're using the insert dialog box, you can just type it and Excel will put the quotation marks for you. Right, number of learners who paint. Same kind of thing. So COUNTIF. But this time we're working from the activity range over here. So choose that. Criteria it must meet is paint. Alright. There we go, 17 learners who paint. Now let's look at SUMIF. Looking here for the sum total raised by learners from the tech school. So let's go find the function quickly. So there's SUMIF, and the range, once again, that we are choosing first, needs to be evaluated so it can meet a certain criteria, so it can be added up. So the range we're looking for is, in this case, tech school, so it's again from the schools. So that's what I'm going to choose. So now this range is being evaluated, and the criteria it must meet, in this case, is tech. Tech school. Right, did I type that correctly? Tech school. Tech school, yes. Alright, so the sum range is what it is that you would like to add up. And in this case, it's the funds raised. So everyone who meets this criteria will be added to the sum. So let's go select that range there. So range evaluated, criteria that needs to be met, and then it will be added up. And apparently they have raised 3,746 Rand. Let's just quickly change that to currency, and there we go. Right, now let's see the sum total raised by learners who sing. Same kind of thing, SUMIF. And the range this time is the activity that needs to be evaluated. And we are looking for the learners who sing. And the sum range is going to be again from the funds raised here, because that's where we want to add up from. So everybody from this range who sings will be added up from the funds raised column. 2,353. Quickly change that to currency. And there you go. That's it.